Do you ever feel like you're being hijacked by your hormones? Like just everything that's happening in your body is so out of your control. Maybe it's hot flashes or night sweats, or maybe you're dealing with some other things that maybe you're not necessarily associating with your hormones, but believe it or not, they can be affected. And that can be your appetite and weight gain. It could be if you're not sleeping well, or maybe you fall asleep and then you wake up and then you just can't get back to sleep again. And maybe that snowballs into low energy and low libido. Or maybe you've got some mood swings that you just can't understand why one minute you're feeling reasonable and the next minute you're either crying or going off the deep end. So any of those things and more can be caused by fluctuations and changes in our hormones as we're getting older. So if any of that sounds familiar, then I invite you to join me for a 3-day masterclass workshop called Empowered Aging. Reset your mind, nurture your body, balance your hormones. And we're going to talk about all those things. You're going to learn some of my hottest tips so you can feel better in your body naturally, better than maybe you thought possible for whatever beautiful age you're at right now. When you sign up to join me live, you're going to get your hands on this special workbook. So you're going to have some tools to take with you so that you can keep feeling better as time moves on. So if you haven't already signed up, please make sure to do so. The link is below. Make sure to share it with a friend who's going through some of the same things. So you know who you've been talking to, that friend of yours who's been telling you some of these same things. Make sure to share the love and send the link so that they can join us too. And again, when you sign up, you'll get your hands on the Zoom link and the workbook so you can take notes and have some actionable strategies to take you into the future. I really look forward to seeing you there, and I hope you're having an amazing day.